Good morning, first graders. Miss Kyler here with the Number Corners. As always, I need for you to go ahead and make a prediction for today's calendar card. What could be on that card? Let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there will be another analog clock today? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this clock. So we see that the hour hand is in between the 4 and the 5. So that's the 4 o'clock hour. And we see that the minute hand is on the 6, which means 30, right? So we know that it is 4:30, or we could say half past 4 because our hour hand is halfway through the 4 o'clock hour. So now, my first graders, let's go ahead and say our date 2 times today. And we always start with the day of the week. So today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. Let's say that again one more time. Today is Monday, March the 8th, 2021. Now, let's go ahead and say our days of the week together. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we know from our calendar that today is Monday. Now, let's go ahead and read together. Yesterday was. If today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday. And I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Now, let's read together one more time. Tomorrow will be. If today is Monday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Great job. Now, my first graders, let's go ahead and say our months of the year. And we always start with the first month and go down to our current month. So let's go January, February, March. Stop right there. And we know that March is the third month of the year. So I'm going to give that a circle. Now let's go ahead and write our date 2 different ways. First with our numbers, then with the abbreviation for March. We know that March is the third month of the year. That's why I have my 3. Today is the 8th day of March and our year is 2021. But Miss Kyler is only going to write the last 2 digits, that 2 and that 1. So now let's go ahead and use the abbreviation for March. Bring down our 8 because it's the 8th day of March, comma, 2021, all 4 digits. Now, my first graders, my favorite, how many days have we been learning and growing together? Well, today is a brand new day, but on Friday we were at 114. So today's a brand new day. Let's go ahead and add one more square, and that will put us at 115. Okay, that's our tens bars. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 115 days of learning and growing together. So now let's go ahead and see how we write that 3-digit number. 115. And here's how we write 113, how we spell it out. We know that it's a 3-digit number, so that means there's a digit in the hundreds place, a digit in the tens place, and a digit in the ones place. So let's go ahead and fill it out. Put a 1 in the hundreds place, another 1 in the tens place, and a 5 in the ones place. And that made 115. Now, my first graders, you know for this month we are collecting money. We are collecting pennies, nickels, and dimes. So let's go ahead and say our rhyme for pennies. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Now let's go on for our nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. And last, our dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Now, let's go ahead and see how much money we'll collect for today. Okay, my first graders, so now we're going to go ahead and collect our money for today. Let's give our spinner a spin. And it looks like we're collecting 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. And we know pennies are worth 1 cent. They're copper brown and worth 1 cent. So let me put all those pennies there. So we see a total of 4 cents for today. So let's keep going with our number corners. Okay, my first graders, I need for you to get ready to click on this button so that you can go on to finish up your class kick assignment, and I will see you later. Bye.